Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. In 1956, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence was organized by 4 researchers. Who is not among the 4 organizers? The correct answer is option C, Herbert Simon. The 1966 ALPAC report led to a significant decrease in funding for which specific field of AI research? The correct answer is option B, machine translation. Which AI system, developed in the early 1970s at Stanford, was designed to diagnose blood infections and recommend antibiotics? The correct answer is option C, mycin. The 1969 book, Perceptrons, is often cited as a reason for the decline in neural network research. Who were its authors? The correct answer is option A, Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert. What was the primary goal of Japan's 5th-generation computer systems project launched in 1982? The correct answer is option B, to develop computers using massive parallel processing and logic programming. Which heuristic search method was the foundation for the General Problem Solver (GPS), developed by Newell and Simon? The correct answer is option C, means-ends analysis. Which AI pioneer is credited with the development of frames as a data structure for representing knowledge in 1974? The correct answer is option B, Marvin Minsky. The Lighthill Report 1973, which led to the first AI winter in the UK, was officially titled what? The correct answer is option A, Artificial Intelligence, a General Survey. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov. What was the final score of the 6-game match? The correct answer is option A, 3.5 to 2.5. Who authored the 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which proposed the Turing Test? The correct answer is option B, Alan Turing. Which expert system, developed in 1965, was the first to use a rule-based system to identify chemical compounds? The correct answer is option C, Dendral. The logic theorist, often called the first AI program, was capable of proving theorems from which mathematical work? The correct answer is option A, Principia Mathematica. What does the acronym GOFI, coined by John Hageland in 1985, stand for? The correct answer is option C, good old-fashioned artificial intelligence. Which programming language, primarily used in AI, was created by John McCarthy in 1958? The correct answer is option B, LISP. In 1986, the popularity of neural networks was revived by the development of the backpropagation algorithm, popularized by whom? The correct answer is option A, Rumelhart, Hinton, and Williams. Which DARPA-funded project in the 1980s aimed to develop advanced computing hardware and AI for military applications? The correct answer is option A, the Strategic Computing Initiative. Who developed the neocognitron in 1980, which served as a precursor to modern convolutional neural networks? The correct answer is option B, Kunihiko Fukushima. The Shaky the Robot project, 1966 to 1972, was significant because it was the first mobile robot to do what? The correct answer is option B, reason about its own actions in a physical environment. Which 1943 paper proposed a mathematical model of a biological neuron, laying the groundwork for neural networks? The correct answer is option A, a logical calculus of the ideas immanent in nervous activity. The Psych project, started by Douglas Lennett in 1984, was designed to solve which problem in AI? The correct answer is option C, common sense knowledge. In 1994, which AI program became the first to win a world championship match against a human, Marion Tinsley, in checkers? The correct answer is option A, Chinook. Who is known as the father of expert systems for his work on dendral and the knowledge engineering concept? The correct answer is option A, Edward Feigenbaum. The first AI winter, mid-1970s, was largely characterized by a shift in funding from pure AI to what? The correct answer is option B, applied, problem-specific systems. What was the name of the first autonomous vehicle to win the DARPA Grand Challenge in 2005? The correct answer is option B, Stanley. In 1979, the AI system BKG 9.8 defeated the world champion in which game? The correct answer is option C, backgammon. The term satisficing, describing a decision-making strategy that aims for a satisfactory result rather than the optimal one, was introduced by? The correct answer is option B, Herbert Simon. Which AI program, written by Terry Winograd in 1968, demonstrated natural language understanding within a block's world? The correct answer is option B, S-Chardielu. In the context of AI history, what does the physical symbol system hypothesis suggest? The correct answer is option B. A physical symbol system has the necessary and sufficient means for general intelligent action. Which company produced the LISP machines that were a commercial success before the second AI winter in the late 1980s? The correct answer is option A, Symbolics. The A** search algorithm, a cornerstone of AI pathfinding, was first published in 1968 by researchers from which institution? The correct answer is option C, SRI International. Thank you for watching.